Hello kids, how are you doing? Today we are going to do a fun activity called Who is Under the Mask? Okay. We all know the importance of wearing the mask. So today we are going to use this mask and create a fun activity and drawing which I'm sure you all are going to love. So you can make any mask of your choice, of your color, and you can design your mask with your favorite characters, with your favorite animal drawings, or whatever that you want. The other thing that we are going to need, I'm going to tell you right away. You need a white paper, you're going to need sketch pens and your colors and Fevicol, of course. So let's begin. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to take a paper which is rectangular, which measures roughly 25 by 21, and we have to draw a line here. Now this line has to be drawn at around 8 centimeters from the bottom. Okay, so you draw this line and you keep this part ready. Now comes the most fun and interesting part. You are going to draw your portrait, that is your face, the way your hair is, the color of your hair, the eyes. So if you're a girl, you might have big hair, curly hair, maybe ponytails, or if you have really short hair, if you're a boy, so you have to draw the hair as per your face. That is a self-portrait. That is, you look at yourself in the mirror and you are going to draw who you are. Now I have done this looking at my son. So in this part we are going to draw the face, which has to be quite big enough, and a little part of the body here, and this part, the bottom portion where you have the small rectangle, there you're going to write your name. Now why? I will tell you. Let's take the mask. And at this line, at 8 centimeters, I'm going to fold the paper. Okay, so when I fold this paper, you can see that the nose and the mouth is covered. Now, I'm going to take my mask and I'm going to stick this mask on this flap. Okay, so I'm going to stick it here like this so that it covers the face of the boy who is underneath. Okay, but before we do that, we need to finish our drawing and coloring for this part. So let's do that first. So there you go. I have colored the face, the body, and I have also highlighted the name of the boy or the girl if you prefer. Now at the 8 centimeter line, we are going to fold this paper. Okay, and I'm going to attach this mask or paste this mask up here. Alright, so let's do that. So the mask goes on to the face, and guess who is under the mask? And then I've just decorated this with some lines. So let's see who's under the mask. Oh, it's Rudy. And that's what I want all of you to do. Make your own self-portrait and of course design your mask, write your name in a colorful, beautiful pattern, and then make this beautiful and fun activity. Alright, I hope you have fun doing this. Bye.